Hello YouTube, welcome to Options Trader. Today I'll teach you a very simple yet profitable strategy for binary options, and I'll explain about the strategy as we continue with the video, so make sure to watch the whole video so that you can understand how the strategy works. So let me look for a good trade and I'll explain about the strategy so that everyone can understand. So this strategy is very simple, and everyone can make money with the strategy. So once you have practiced using the demo and once you understand the strategy very well, it will be very easy for you to make money in binary options. So let me get a perfect opportunity and I'll explain to you guys how the strategy works. So here we have an opportunity. So I'll wait for the trade to come to my entry and I'll take the trade and explain to you guys why I took the trade. So let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Oh shit. Okay, I entered the trade a bit late. I'll take another trade right here. So my second entry is perfect, but the first entry delayed, and so we won our second trade and lost our first trade. So where I took the trade was very simple. So this strategy is based on demand and supply, and here we have a demand area right here. So right here, so I drew this horizontal line, and once the market came into that area, immediately it touches my line. I take a call trade, and at the end of the closing of the candle, my trade closes and it closed as a win. So the strategy is that simple, guys. So all you have to do is look for the perfect demand or supply area, wait for the market to get to your entry and enter the trade. So yeah, I'll explain more as we continue. So let's look for another trade and I'll explain more. Okay, I missed my entry, but it's okay. you'll get more trades, so not to worry about that. Oh wow, I missed another trade. I was waiting for that one. I missed this trade, but it's fine. Okay guys, we took another trade here, so that was a win. And so as you can see, so the market is moving inside a ranging market, and we have this engulf. So we have this beautiful demand that created this beautiful momentum, and once our candle came, so here once it got to our entry, it jumped a bit to the downside, and our entry was somewhere around here, and the candle closed here. That was a winning trade, guys. So let's look for another opportunity, and I'll explain more. Let me add more pairs. And guys, one thing, if you want to use the broker that I'm using, the link will be in the description. And if you use the broker, actually this strategy works better in this broker, because the expiry for each and every trade, like if you're using, you have to use the flag mode, and for if you're using the flag mode, if you enter before like if you enter 5 seconds to the expiry, then you can be able to book profits, unlike in other brokers where you have to enter 30 seconds before the close of the candle. So make sure to be using this strategy in this broker. Leave the link in the description, and yeah, I'll also have a Telegram. I don't really know, like, okay, I think there I might share some live trades if you guys are interested, or if you want to learn more about this strategy, you can get in touch with me using my Telegram. The link will be in the description. Let's see. Okay, you have to be very patient if you want to be successful in trading generally, not only in binary options. Perfect. That was a beautiful entry, and as we can see, this area generally was a beautiful resistance area, and then we have this resistance broken by this beautiful engulf, forming this okay, let's see. Oh, perfect, closed with profit. So here, as you can see, let me explain what is going on. So you have a beautiful resistance area. So as you can see, this was a very beautiful ranging area, this one, the whole of this area. So that was broken, and we have this very beautiful engulf, this one here, very beautiful engulf, and this was our demand area. So once the market came to our demand, we took up a trade to the upside, and the candle closed here, and as you can see, we booked profit. So let me look for another trade. Let me look for one more example, and then I'll close my session. If you want to understand the strategy in depth, you can contact me directly in my Telegram, and I'll be sure to share materials that will help you in understanding the strategy very, very well. It's a very simple strategy, yet very, very profitable and accurate. So let's see. Oh, what just happened? Okay guys, okay, I took a trade by mistake. Okay, let's see what happens. Wow. Okay, I wanted to take my trade right here, but I think I just took my trade as I was trying to scroll. Okay, hopefully this will be a winning trade, and it will be my last trade, because either way I was waiting for it to come to my entry, and this will have been my last trade. So okay guys, sometimes this happens. You'll make mistakes, don't beat yourself up. Okay, we're losing the trade. Wow, yeah, we lost the trade. So wow, okay, let's see if it comes to my entry. I'll take my trade. Okay, let me not go there. I don't want to take another trade by mistake. So let's wait for the market to come to our entry. Shit, that was a bit late. I was supposed to take it exactly right here. So the first mistake kinda ruined my psychology. Okay, I'm not going to take another trade after this, so hopefully it will be a winning trade. But guys, you have to be very, very careful not to make mistakes, because mistakes will cost you money. Luckily I won that one, and I'm closing my session right here. So again, I'll try and explain the strategy one more time. So what we're doing, we are looking for the perfect engulf and supply or demand area. So for example, right here we have this point right here. So we are waiting for our market to come to that point, and exactly at that point we sell. So another example here, we have another right here, we have another engulf with a very beautiful momentum, and as you can see, once the market came to our point, we will have taken a trade, won that one. We have another example right here. So guys, this strategy works, and if you have any question, you can come to my Telegram. And also if you really want to master this strategy for you to consistently make money, you can message me on Telegram, and I'll be sure to teach you how this strategy works. So guys,